Hello everybody, and welcome one more time here to BitBrothers Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day, even on the bear market. And today we welcome back my brother Papa, who was away to Brazil to settle there, moving back. So he sort of settled, you know. He's still doing his stuff, but he managed to have some time and be here with us today. So welcome back, Papa. Nice to have you here, brother. And
Thank you,
guys,
everybody.
if it's your first time here, of course, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the Bit family. Today, we're gonna talk a little bit about long-term investor. Are you a long-term crypto? Are you in crypto just for to flip some money? So maybe you got here on the um, top of the coins, you bought some altcoins on the top. Now everything is down, and you believe crypto is a scam. So who are you in the crypto space? Are you the long-term investor, someone who are here in order to live off crypto eventually? You believe on the system. Are you here to stay for the next bull run, the next bull market? If you are here now, I can tell you for sure that you are very early to the game. You're very early to the crypto space. And my friend, now is the time that you can make some good money. Of course, not financial advice, but do your own research, and of course, smash the button and subscribe to the channel. I'm Casquinha Crypto, and let's go.
Let's go. Hey, guys. Papa Bitbrother here at last. Yes, I'm settling in slowly, but I know Casca took care very well of you guys. And yeah, guys, I know it's been a rough couple of weeks, and I hope everybody's keeping strong, keep the faith, keep the hopes up, although everything's going crazy now, but still there's so much going on, so much being developed. Okay. And like Casca said, this is probably once again a lifetime opportunity. As they always says, like, you make money on the bull market, but the bear market is where you have the chance to become a billionaire. É, Show, salve Testinha aqui na live. Nice one, Testinha. So welcome, my man. So yeah, guys. So today, like Casca said, we have just to discuss here how the market is. What's your? We really like to hear from you guys. What do you think? You know about the markets. Like, are you in? Are you long term hold? Are you very scared when these things happen? Are you in a loss? Are you win? Because if your strategy is good, you can definitely make profits right now as well if you have a good strategy. And also, very important that your DCA strategy is in place. Yeah. Of course, me and Casca, we've gone wrong so many times on our DCA, and many super high, kind of people who are inside the market and they have insider like news. They also go wrong. Like we hear all this kind of super, multi-millionaire investors who buy the top thinking by the bottom thinking it's the bottom, and then it goes even lower. So but again, if we're in the long run, this is all going to pay off in the future, because if you look macro, it's like we always say, isn't it? So if you can't see everything clear, just open up, see macro is still uprise from the beginning. 10-year Bitcoin properly traded, and since the beginning we're just rising, and just that's how we have to look for the future. Let's quickly check here now how's the market today, and I have some couple of things to share with you about Ethereum. Okay, how's you guys bullish for the Ethereum 2.0? How you guys bullish for the main post net launch? Where's the Posicans and the Hexians? Are you guys bullish? Yeah, Hex had a big blow this week as well. We can look into it, and Kask can talk to you more about that. So we can see today Bitcoin at 30,000, above 30,000 again. So I think it was the first green candle after 8 weeks. So it's been quite expected, really, because this hasn't happened before. So many weeks Bitcoin on a red candle, and of course it's expected. But personally thinking, I think this is just like another small leg to make everybody a little bit excited before the big blow, before the reset, and before we get the strongest people in the ecosystem, like kind of, stronger, let's say like this. Yeah, because the weakest is gonna go the next leg down, the weakest is gonna go. And I hope you guys are with us here, the strong community. Look at this avalanche, $26. Oh my god, this is so crazy, guys. 26 cents on Polygon. So near protocol, $5. Let's see, Chainlink is $7. Cosmos $10. Algorand, I just said to Casca, Algorand is building something really strong, and I think Algorand is gonna do well in the near future. Flow at 257. Flow is growing stronger, right? So it's 31st place above ApeCoin. Many people said ApeCoin around $5 is a very good buy, so maybe this is opportunity again. Although just 11, so you see how crazy ApeCoin values straight away. And yeah, guys, like with ApeCoin, with this volatile ApeCoin, maybe it's a time for you to have a look. Now is a time for us to have a look on the land of Yuga Labs. I'm going to speak to Casca about that. Maybe we'll do a video for you. Check if it's worth buying land now in on the deed land, right? The metaverse, that land that they release on Yuga Labs. So uh, basically, guys, I heard there's a lot of people buying now on floor price the land. So maybe it's time for you to guys and research a little bit more and have a look on it. So yeah, anyway, everything, although everything's super high, like look at Torching at 14% on the day, but of course at $3. Fantom at 39 cents. That's insane, coming from 20% on the week. It's really sad to see this happening, but yeah, we have to see as a massive opportunity. Okay, I'm very exposed to Fantom, to Polygon, to Thorchain, and of course I bought much higher than that. So for me, it's sad to see my portfolio decreasing, but I know it's an opportunity for you guys to come in. Even for me, of course, any money that I make from now on, I will be DCAing. But of course, because I'm very exposed to most of these coins, I'm trying to wait a little bit longer because I believe it's gonna go a little bit lower. Let's see the losers of the day. The winners is Waves 5%, 28%, Helium 19%, Elron Gold $84, Thorchain 14%, Arweave. So yeah, still Gala at 11%. Casca had some profit there. Casca did some DCA in Gala this week. He told me. So the losers, not so much as well. That was quite good, like 0.79%. And yeah, so everything pretty much on the green today. That's beautiful. So guys, on Ethereum, yeah, BTC Fuel said the inverted Ethereum chart is still showing the 3 peaks and doomed house pattern. So look at this. So what does that mean? That he expect, of course, this. So George Lindsay's idolized 3 peaks and the doomed house. So basically, there's this big researchers of TAs that they kind of find this pattern that happen very, very often, and then they just put into what's happening with Ethereum, and you can see that it follows very, very much like you can see 3 tops here, 3 peaks, and then first floor is this one, and then they see the basement, this is the trap, bear trap, goes up, roof, bull trap, and then we plunge. So that means in this, if we look at the graphics according to BTC Fuel, we are in a very, very hard situation now with Ethereum. So again, if you, for the long run, and you already in, just wait stronger and maybe wait a little bit longer so you can DCA into your Ethereum. Remember, guys, not financial advice, just so what we see here, the technical analysis says following the graphics, okay? Last one, market cleansing bear cycles are healthy, say industry experts. This is like we always say, guys, this is very, very healthy. Take that as an opportunity. If you're down, be diamond hands, hold strong. You only lose once you sell, okay? So if you hold, eventually it's going to turn out, it's like, of course, I need money, but do your best not to sell. Do your best not to sell. Or, of course, if you need to sell the one that you like lost less, of course, and then trying to DCA in once it goes even lower. So yeah, this is the idea. So analysis said the crypto bear market should not be feared because it offers potentially great opportunities for growth and profits than a bull market. So traders should be taking note. Okay, so again, guys, this is what we keep saying all the time. Crypto markets are undeniable bearish, but some industry insiders believe these conditions will shake out the bad actors and create great opportunities for future participants. Traders tend to lament the negative price action and relative difficulty in executing profitable trades in bearish market conditions. However, several leading analysts and builders agree that this is the time to make moves that will lead to the greatest gains and bullish sentiments return. Okay, remember, guys, that everything's sentiment in this market. Okay, when people start to feel that they're gonna make money, they come in. But many times when the sentiment come, it's too late. It's probably, or you already lost the momentum that could be. And then many times people say, "Ah, yeah, I lost the." It happened to me before as well. Yeah, it happened to me before as well. So, it happened to me with Solana. Luckily, it didn't go back down as I thought. Now it's back down again, but I could have taken profit. But I entered Solana. I don't know when it was, like, I don't know, $11, and then went to $35, and I sold Solana, and then went to $70, then I sold some Solana, and then went to $90. I sold some Solana, and then Solana kept going. So when it reached like 120, I had to buy more. But could have gone wrong. So I bought Solana again, 120 again, and then 130. And then, so what happened? Went to above $200, beautiful, but I didn't take profit. So eventually came down again. So you see now, it's like, I felt that I lost track of the boat. Then when it kept going up, I bought, and then you ended up doing these mistakes. Okay, you get panic. It's like, oh no, it's not gonna go higher, and then it goes higher. It's not gonna go higher, and then it goes higher. And then you're like, and I'm gonna wait a dip, and never comes this dip that you wait. And then one little dip that comes, you enter because you FOMO in, because you think it's gonna even go even higher. And many, many times that's the top where you FOMO in, because you think there's a little dip, and then after the little dip, there's a lot of memes there, né, Casca? As soon as I buy, drops. As soon as I sell, everything goes higher. If I do nothing, the market, it's still. So this goes to everybody. It's crazy how it works, guys. It's funny. So yeah, guys, nice one. That's not much to take today. So please leave us your comments there, and if you have any interest. So there's big news on drip as well, and on I keep saying on drip and the animal farm. Like I didn't have much time to look, but I'll bring some news tomorrow on drip and on the animal farm. If you haven't heard of it, come tomorrow and we'll talk about it. Cheers, guys.
Yeah, definitely. Before we leave, also talking about if you are a long-term investor in crypto or just a trader on the bull market. Talking a little bit, because I don't have news, guys, by the way. So I'm just going to speak to you a little bit because I think that's important and there is some stuff that is nice to listen to it, even though, of course, nothing is financial advice. Remember that everything, he's just two YouTuber guys that like crypto. But you need to ask, those are questions that you need to be asking yourself if you are on the right timing. Not the right time. You are on the right time, that's for sure. But if you are here for the long term or you are here for the short term, if you are thinking you start in crypto today and you're going to put a couple of $100, a couple of $1,000, and tomorrow you're going to be millionaire, forget about it. You're in the wrong business. If you cannot take the sentimental that goes, like today, the fear and greed is like 10. So there's the fear is extreme. So people are scared. There's not much money in the market. So like we are at 1,300,000,000,000 today in the market. And we should be having we should be overpassed $3 trillion. So if you think about that, you are very early still to the game of crypto. So you might say to me now, Casquinha, but I'm not early to the Bitcoins at $1. Yes, but maybe you are very early to Bitcoins when Bitcoins is still going to reach 250K, $250,000. So for that, you are very early because Bitcoin today sits at $30,000, right? Although I still believe that we will see a spike, and I'm talking to you sentimental wise, and not TA. I'm not a technical analyst, but from what I see, every single day we involve with the space. I'm there, I'm talking, I'm in groups of crypto. What I believe that may happen, again, not financial advice, me, Casquinha, one opinion only. I think that we might see a spike, and we might even see Bitcoin going to 33, 34, even 35. And everybody will, like Papa was saying early, people feel like, oh my God, it's going to go up, it's going to go to 100, whatever. And people going to start to buy. And then you're just going to see, because, and then we're going to see the last bull like drop for the bear market. I still think that Bitcoin might reach either 20K or below. And if we see those areas, we will see altcoins going very, very low. And that's why Papa was saying earlier to you, DCA in. Every time you have a little money, you go there, you DCA. How do you DCA? You choose the projects that you believe is going to be here within the next bull run, the next bull market, and the next time everything's going to go up. When is that going to happen? We don't know. It may be next week, maybe in 3 months, maybe in 6 months, maybe in 1 year, maybe only in 2025, because that's the way this cycle goes. And that's why is my first question on the beginning of the video, or the title of the video here. Are you here for the long term, or for just to flip money, to get rich tomorrow? This is not going to happen. If that's what you're going to think, maybe, just maybe, you are on the wrong place to be investing your money. Remember, you need to be patient. You need to learn which kind of investment you do, which place you should, which project you be investing your money. What is the DCA? How should I be DCAing in? Which project is the best to put my money in? Should I buy this? Should I buy that? Should I invest in DeFi, in GameFi? Should I be in Metaverse? Should I be investing in which kind of protocol? In layer ones, layer two? Which is the best layer one to invest? And this, my friends, you do your research. This, you have to go and see which kind of projects there is out there. And you need to invest in yourself in order to have best knowledge, in order to start to invest your money. And on the next bull run, maybe all the money you invest now is 5x up, 10x up, 100x up. But you only will be up to that 100x up, 1000x up, if you do your homework now. So the question you ask is, I am here for the long term. So if you are here for the long term, you go to investigate, dig deep to see which projects should I invest. Papa was saying about Hex. Hex was this week, at some point, it reached at 4 cents. 4 cents. So if you had bought at the 4 cents, you already be up 35% up, 35% up from investing at 4 cents. So it's gonna go back to the all-time high. I don't know, but it's something that you need to study and see. This project here, I believe, and is gonna be here on the next bull run. Maybe if not, and then it's not, and then it's a risk you take, right? So everything in crypto is not sure, and every single investment you do in your life, doesn't matter what it is risk. If you invest in your relationship, it's an investment. Maybe you're going to be disappointed because you have too much expectation from your investment in your relationship. Maybe your investment is to buy and build a new house, is in real estate, is in cars, is in properties, whatever it is. Every investment there is risk. So the question is, are you in the long term? Are you willing to invest some money, or whatever you are investing? Maybe if you lose, is that going to break you? Because if it is, maybe you shouldn't invest. Maybe you're in the wrong place. Maybe you should be invest. You shouldn't definitely not sell your house or your car or whatever, or put yourself in debt to invest. This is wrong. That's not how you do it. Papa was saying early, DCA with $50, with $3, $5, $100, $200. No, I have $1,000 that I can DCA. And if I lose this, it's not gonna make a difference in my life. Okay, then. So DCA with $1,000. That's basically what you do every single time. That's what we do every single time, especially now in the bear market. Why? Because I know the probability, the potential for those investments that I am doing now, be 10x, 50x, 20x, 100x up, is big. Of course, I'm taking 5%, no, 3% of my investment, and I'm doing high risk. I just said to Papa, oh, I bought some couple of millions Shiba Inu coins. Yeah, I'm not telling you to go into Shiba Inu. I don't go to Shiba Inu. It's a high risk token. Of course, we know this. We've been know this for a long time. But I don't mind to be exposed with $20 there. That's not gonna make a big difference in my life. $20. And maybe if I make that $20 become $200, great. I'll take that $200 and I'm gonna put in Phantom, or I'm gonna put in Gala, or I'm gonna put in Polkadot, in Link, in Algorand. But you need to do your research. So, few things before you start. I am in this game for the long term. So if you are, I need to do some study because I need to understand where I'm investing my money. No, I am here. Crypto is a scam. I buy like Phantom in at $2, and now it's at 60 cents. This is ridiculous. It's a scam. Well, maybe, just maybe, crypto is not for you. And then you need to find another way of investing your money. But if you are serious in investing in crypto, you need to do homework. There is not a shortcut, because the shortcut will get you wrecked. Shortcuts in NFTs gonna get you wrecked. Shortcuts in just investing whatever YouTubers tell you to do, you're gonna get wrecked. As simple as that, right? So our show here, you know how me and Papa deal with our show. We are very transparent. The 98% probably of the projects that we shield here, we don't get paid from the projects. In fact, we invest in the projects ourselves. First, sometimes, or most of the times, we have to invest before we went there. We did this, we did that, and we came here. And then maybe we also got wrecked because we made a mistake, or because the project was shit anyway. But we bring to you here things that we believe have potential to grow. And that's why we do so. Anyway, if you listen to me until now, 22 minutes, you should be smashing the like button and subscribe to the channel, because of you, because you like crypto and you like Papa BitBrother and Casquinha Crypto, and you're gonna follow us on Twitter, Papa BitBrother, Casquinha Crypto, and follow us on Instagram as well, BitBrother_Crypto. Well, guys, that's exactly what I have to tell you. What you are thinking, the things that the way you should be thinking, should be asking yourself those questions before thinking I'm gonna get money, or I'm gonna be rich, or this is a scam, or this or this or that. First things first. Oh, I want to invest my money. I have some money to invest. I would like to invest in crypto because I believe crypto is the future of the financial system in the world, period. So if you believe that, and then now is study the things that you believe. More you study, more you will learn about crypto. The more things you hear, there is so much information out there. And then after, you need to take those informations and dig deep to make sure that those information is not just bullshit. So you need to get those information, see, oh, this is actually very good. This, someone, I heard that was good, but it's actually shit. So you need to see all those things in order to try to do a good investment. Because that's what everybody does. We try to do a good investment, but it's very difficult to time the markets. It's very difficult to understand the especially. That's why me and Papa, we never advise you to trade, to daily trade. It's very difficult. It's very easy to lose money. We are long-term investor. We waste time, or better, we invest our time to learn about project, so we know that project maybe potentially will be here the next bull run, and then we DCA in order for the next bull run. We have 10x on top of that investment, 100x on top of that investment, and that's basically the way we do. So yes, and you just watched BitBrothers Crypto. Anything else, Pop?
That's it. Nice said, nicely done, guys. Thank you very much again. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please, and follow us on everything.
And smash the like button. And we see you guys on the next video or in the next live. tomorrow. Ciao!